Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chrome build and preparing the extension files. This matters because stable Chrome Mobile generally blocks extensions. Once done, install a Chrome channel that supports extensions, typically Canary or Dev on Android, and enable developer flags in Chrome, //flags. You should also download the CRX file or an unpacked extension folder to your device storage. This immediate setup gets permission and files ready. Make sure storage access is granted so Chrome can load the extension later. Once your browser restarts with flags enabled, go directly to the extension management page, Chrome, //extensions, or the equivalent entry point in your build, because that's where you control installs. You'll see options like Load Unpacked or an Install button for CRX files. Tap Load Unpacked and navigate to the folder you prepared, or select the CRX and accept installation prompts. This step requires patience. Permissions pop-ups appear, so read and accept only what's necessary. Then confirm the extension shows as enabled. Finish by verifying the extension appears and functions. Open its options, pin the icon if the UI allows, and test a basic feature. If it doesn't show, relaunch Chrome, revisit flags, and clear cache. Sometimes uninstalling and reloading the unpacked folder fixes path or permission errors. If problems persist, consider switching Chrome channels or updating to the latest Canary build because extension support differs across releases. That one troubleshooting step often resolves compatibility issues and gets your extension visible again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.